Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change aspect ratio in Zoom meeting. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Zoom meeting application on my computer and I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of our video. If you want to do that, we can go to the Zoom meeting setting. You can click on your profile icon first and then you're going to select settings. Okay, here you need to choose the video setting and here you'll be able to change your aspect ratio. You can either choose the original ratio or scale to fit. If you check this option, it means you will apply the original ratio. The original ratio will ensure that you and other participants see the same view. And if you uncheck this option like this, it means you are applying the scale to fit. It means the scale to fit may crop the full video view for you. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose the original ratio. Okay, now it's done. The aspect ratio has been changed to the original ratio. Okay guys, so that's all the way to change the aspect ratio in Zoom meeting. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.